Guys, this is the inflatable in the house. You saw I did pick up a cat on pumpkin inflatable today. I actually picked up the other one. I picked up the standing cat. What's called standing cat or black cat inflatable. I call this the 5.5 standing cat. I saw this on the leak back in like a month ago. I saw below pictures, and then we saw one in the book, and it was $35. And then we saw it looked like an animated head-turning cat. So this is going to be a talking one, more than that one. That one's a cheap and more. I want smaller. This one's bigger. So really, a talking point is we thought this thing was going to be animated because the size of it looks like an animated cat when we saw that boy picture in the book. So I thought the head moved side to side. I thought it was going to be Jemmy. And yeah, so I popped up on the website and it actually said it was a light show. And I said, oh, wait, is this a sound box with blinking LEDs? Or blinking C7s? I know it's not a basement. Blinking LEDs in the miniature sound box. Oh, that's cool. And I started a productions video, and it was a boy Air Force box. So I said, ooh, does Air Force does light shows? And I do. They did that truck a few years ago, a Halloween truck, and it had a kaleidoscope in the pump. And they're coming back there with that at home, but it doesn't have a kaleidoscope. Same thing as Jemmy boxes. It's the same size as that bat I have. So, yeah, and it ended up not being an animated cat, unfortunately, but I still really like it. It's a miniature version of the Crazy Cat. And that's gold. I really like the design. LED. That's the item number. HL needs for Halloween for 08. There's the item number. Black Cat inflatable. At home, Halloween. It's the miniature version of Crazy Cat. Black Cat inflatable. Use the back. Instructions. Halloween, at-home production, and yeah, I think this is going to be airflow. I don't know where it says airflow, unless there's instructions that say airflow. Let's get it open. And I'm actually on vacation. I thought Air Force started to do bags, like, it's all like orange and just the pumpkin in this box. Got instructions, same stakes, same plug as the cat. It's funny. We're excited. We're excited again. How many new ones I got so far? Wow. How many new ones I got so far? 1, 2, 3 is the spider, 4 is the archway. So 4 new ones. 5th one is the Kiss of Death comes out. So I don't know how many new ones we're going to be adding this year. So you have to plug them in and inflate him. Plug him in. He's the big adapter. So here we go. Here's that big adapter. So there's 2 inflatables that handle adapters. And this is a really interesting one. I really thought this was going to be animated. I really thought we have a really cool video of this thing. It's not the best video, but it's a good video still. I thought it was going to be a better inflatable than this, but this is still big. For $45, it's worth it. It's not like this. That's why I fucked this. So it's like this and it was animated. I have to stand it up and pull it's this thing's interesting. I just think it's not going to be so big. Wow. So here it is. This is bigger than I thought. I actually really like it. I actually really like this thing. It looks like it's going away from me, but it looks like it's coming to you. Like, I really think this is a simple design. Kind of pumpkin. here's the witch hat. It's the same witch hat as Blue Eyes. Same size as the spider witch hat I got, the spider. And the ears, so we're going to have white in them, like that one. Oh, this is very inflatable for $35. Oh, like the eyebrows. Yeah, blue eyes, we go blue eyes. The inflatable nose is cool. Jemmy would just scream her that horse like that. And that's airflows. Because this is a big inflatable. It actually inflates. Whiskers around the teeth. It kind of reminds me of the googly eye cat at Rose last year. That was too expensive, that's why I couldn't get it. It kind of reminds me of the standing version of it, and it's not animated. And it's not googly eyes. Wow. This is big. This is big on the 5'4". It's about 4 feet wide and about 5.5 feet tall. I'm really impressed with this purchase. $50 for 2. It's crazy. And you got the this looks like an older inflatable. When I put a base fan on this guy, he's gonna look an older inflatable. It's the inflatable nails. The inflatable nails. That's crazy. The inflatable nails. That's crazy. The inflatable nails. That's, oh my god. There's the tag. There's a cheap fan at the bottom with 2 LEDs. Wish they had a third one in the hat. That would be nice, but it's still. Here the back. The cheap fan is under the thing. I thought the cheap fan was right here. See that? This was Jimmy. It would have a cheap fan there. Ooh, I can. I don't know which one you should get. You want to get one. This is a really cheap one. I would have got like the cheap fan. Here's the cheap fan. I'm gonna get rid of the cheap fan. You like cheap fans? People version of the cheap fan on the cat. Where's the cat? The cat has a small cheap fan. This is the bigger version of it. It's a bigger inflatable. Same thing with Jemmy. The zipper is under the body. An LED there. There's the tag. And an LED there. And an LED in the head. So only 2 LED is crazy. I've definitely been using this in my Halloween display. There's an LED there. Lights. Pretty good. So this is how normal Jimmy way. Like this cat is just dead on top of the way Jimmy would do. 1 nail and 1 there. 1 nail. No tethers on this feet, which is male. There's 1 on the back. There's 1 on the back. The front feet had 2 in the front, and then the back had tethers in the back. So, yeah. Mistakes. Put the boxes next time. Remember to do a roast video, which one's better. And, yeah, I'm really happy I got this guy for how much was this guy? $50 for 2 inflatables. That's really worth it. This guy's 3.5. This guy's 5.5, and they're both airflows, so it's worth it. It's a little cat trio. It's a little cat trio. I'm really happy I got it. I'm really happy. I'm happy with my 2 purchases today. This one and the cat on the front. I'm just gonna put the boxes. Inflatable for Halloween. Definitely pick up 1 of them right now. I think the best bet is the standing hat. This one you can find. I think this one's gonna be here forever. There was a lot of these guys, but I still wanted to buy it because I was waiting for these two guys. I got them both for $50. That's what I had. The total $58. So these guys are the money I had. Here they go. Here they go. Here's the standing cat on the pumpkin. They're awesome. Tell anybody more about the standing cat, but yeah, this is the first ever review on the cat on the pumpkin and the standing cat. I think nobody has a cat on the pumpkin, but I think a lot of people have. Some people see standing cats, so I am very, very lucky. There are 2 videos. I'm lucky to have a video on both. And first of all, if people have short videos of this guy, I'm probably going to do the first video review the cat. I'm very lucky to drive an hour away. Even though Kiss of Death was not there, but it's so worth it for the 2 cats. Especially at this cat on pumpkin and this guy. Really, it's worth an hour drive. So yeah, I hope you enjoy. See you in my next video.